Well, it looks like he's got a move on it again. About a minute to a minute and a half to two after I shut the camera off the first video, he's back on the move. I guess they got out to switch the track from to go further up into the yard. And man, if that's what they did that in a hurry. They wasted no time doing that. Wow, a short one today. There's the end. And show you guys that coal train on the other side of this manifest. No wonder why. It's a pretty short train today. Let's get an eye on that coal train. Let's see what they're doing. There it is, right there. Be waiting for that to roll out in the next video. Hope you guys stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.